Hello dear friends, in this video, I'd like to introduce you to a course that has a positive impact on your future career. This course helps you increase your awareness of financial management and understanding of financial concepts, to experience less financial stress, and build a strong foundation for long-term financial investment planning. This course currently has 84 students and with a rating of 5, it has been a very good course. The price of this course is currently $30, and if you purchase this course, you can access it full-time. If a new version of the course comes out, you can access it by updating the course. This course is currently 3 hours long, and after completion, the course certificate will be available to you. In this course you are going to learn these topics, gain confidence in managing your finances by learning budgeting strategies that will help you make informed decisions with your money. Set realistic and achievable financial goals using actionable steps that align with your priorities and values. Develop a savings plan aimed at helping you build financial stability and reduce future financial stress. And many other topics. I intend to provide this course to you for free, and you can access all parts of the course for free and completely legally without paying any fees, and also receive a certificate. Just open your browser and search for skilldiscounts.com in your search engine. Click on this link among the results. Make sure the website address is the same as the one shown here. After clicking on the link to the main page of the site, skilldiscounts.com will guide you. On this page, you can see the latest courses offered on the Udemy website with discount coupons, including our desired course. To access the discount coupon for this course, just click on this link. The course page will open for you, and you can view the course details here as well. Please note that the course discount is not permanent, and be sure to pay attention to the course expiration date here. To access the discount coupon for this course, scroll down the page and click on the Go to Course option. As you can see, I was able to access this course for free through the skilldiscounts.com website, and now instead of $30, I can get the course for free. Note that there are currently 4 days left of this discount, and the discount code has been automatically applied to you here. You can use this course for free, legally, and with a certificate at the end of the course. It's that easy. If you have previously used other courses on the Udemy site for free and legally, you can see other sections of skilldiscounts.com. Go to different categories, or click on All Free Online Courses option, and go search for the course you want. If you find the video useful, you can share it with your friends so that they can also get such free tutorials. Thank you if you like and subscribe. Have a nice day.